Let's learn some English action verbs. Run. He is running in the marathon. Solve. He is solving a math problem on the board. Communicate. Tina communicating to her friend regarding her upcoming project. Invent. Thomas Edison worked tirelessly to invent the electric light bulb. Achieve. Suresh worked hard to achieve his goal of earning a scholarship for college. Perform. The talented musician took the stage to perform the music. Discover. Ram is very excited to discover new things. Donate. He is donating for a flood relief fund. Hit the subscribe button and click on the like button and join our growing English community. Don't miss out our latest content.